over this summer, and again, give me a hands up, a thumbs up, or a yes in the chat box. Have you had to turn away bookings this summer? So have you had inquiries and you've had to turn them away? Next question, follow-up question. Do you still have their details, whether it's an email or a phone number? Fantastic. Well, guess what you're going to do? You're going to get a list of those emails and you're going to email everybody individually, and you are going to reach out to them and say, you reached out for accommodation in the summer. Really sorry, but we couldn't fit you in. We would love to invite you to book and come and visit us in the future. We actually have some very exclusive last minute dates come available over X, Y, or Z. If you would like some prices, if you'd like to check it out, please give us a call. Super simple, straight email, straight to the point. You're just going to reach out one by one to them and just say, really sorry, we couldn't fit you in. By the way, here's, we do have availability coming up if you're still looking to come to the area. And if they reply back saying, oh, Mark, yeah, absolutely, great, we were sorted in the end, we're not coming. Guess what you're going to reply back? Who can guess what you're going to reply back? Do you know anyone? Fantastic. Yeah, so if they come back, and if they come back saying, sorry, no, then it's so simple. Jill, easy way around it. If you go into the original email that they sent you, if you go back into the original email that they sent you for inquiry, you hit the reply button, absolutely fine. You are replying to their email. GDPR. Phone number, again, you can send them a phone, send them a text. Do you know anyone? So sorry, so great, I'm glad that you had a great time. By the way, do you know anyone who wants to come to the area? Love it. Here we go.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.